it's an adventure world that we are creating, using our brain to get any way we can. So we tell these stories. It's an adventure world that we are creating, using our brain to get any way we can. It's an adventure world that we are creating, using our brain to get any way we can. It's an adventure world that we are creating.
Alright. Good evening, everyone. So, as the title said, I'm going to do some non-VR character stuff today. My goal is to... Wait, give me a sec. Okay. My goal is to build different kind of VR character, non-VR characters for the game. I'm not totally sure what the end result will be, because on the one side I want to let the players decide, okay, I want to play this. It should be a quick game. So you hop in, you choose a class, and everyone gets ready and the game starts. Or it's possible that you are able to choose different kind of objects and build your own class. Could be a way, but from now on I would build 4 easy classes like light, medium, heavy and whatever. And so this is the thing I'm going to do for today. Okay, let's check. I already have built these classes. The game still... Let's see, standard test. Yeah, 4, accept. Join. Oh, it's choosing. That's interesting. It's spawning the VR character. Why is it spawning the VR character? Some weird things. Main menu. Save. Play. Host. What's... So let me check that. Should be in the lobby game mode. Oh yeah, I changed it to both, so... Is true, is false. Is the non-VR based player character. Okay, here we go. Play. Yeah, it's fine. Good, alright. So, what I'm not going to do today is to build the actual models and characters, and animations and stuff like that. My plan is to just build the basic stuff like character system, health, probably ammunition, maybe a weapon for test purposes. But this is a thing, this is outsourced from the character, so health. That's the main thing. Replicated health. Sounds easy. Over network it's not, because it could be sometimes confusing. I'm not totally fine with the stuff, but yeah, I'll give my best. So please bear with me when I'm making some mistakes and it's not working. It's because, yeah, day 13. So for health we need at least a variable, and we call this base health. Nope, it's a float, and the standard is 100. Oh, okay, no. I will make it a little bit different. At this point I had to create 4 health positions. I could make it here, so I create it's the parrot, right? Blueprint class. Create child. Like child. So parent class is character. And no, give me the light one. And the parent class is non-VR based played character. So probably if I create a variable here and then call it base health float. Usually it's replicated. And I'm thinking about but I have some construction script for the non-VR player to do the calculation in the parent class and just use the function, so I don't have to duplicate the function. But actually, does it work? I don't know. Maybe not. Let me check that. Cool. So, Unreal Engine. Pass functions. Something like this. Overriding parent calling child function from parent. I see the child calling parent. It's supposed to be with me. If you want to call an event from the parent, for example begin play, add the same event to your child's event graph, then right click add node, add call. So basically when I say begin play, oh yeah, and base health. When you call function from parent, you can just directly in your event graph search for a function. Compile, yes. Health calculation. Should working. Okay. Let's call it's blue. Okay, and Join string. Start game. So the game is not a begin play, obviously, because it's not. But it's neat, so I can do the calculations of the main character, just call it for the if it's possessed. Hello. So, character light. Yeah, this is the thing I need. Okay. Anyway, we have events like any damage. And I will use my local variables, we call it base health. And this is 100. So any damage coming in, damage type, damage cursor, doesn't care. So what we make is when damage comes in, we fire the event health calculation and add input so damage type instigated by damage causer, and this is a float, and this is a damage type reference, right? No, object reference, damage type object reference, and this is a controller object. And this is the actor object reference, and I don't need this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here is wait, is this a good idea? Can I pass the event any damage? Oh, I could pass health float and make a variable base health. Oh yeah, I already got this here. Base health. And this base health is 100. Because I want to give every character different kind of health. So at this point the base health is not... It's... let's call it class health. Tooltip. Character class. Okay, so health calculation. Damage comes in. We have the health minus we set current health we could say, and we will say no, we can't say, let me think. By the way, it's this. And it's lower health, smaller, 0, branch, true, destroy act. Oh, we could, yeah, well, let's make destroy actor. Nah, we print a simple message. You are dead. If it's not, nothing happened. And this function is called every time. Arc damage. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, so at this point, damage comes in, subtraction, health, set the current health lower equals 0. If true, you're dead. If not true, print the health. Now we have some... Where's my... here. So here's my line trace. And I could say... Let me check that. Toggle. Okay. And let's do another button. E key. Oh, let's take the right mouse button. Probably our character dies immediately. But anyway, mouse button. So branch hit is true. The break hit. No, probably I could say hit actor has to character could apply damage. Let's take a base damage, 15. Okay, controller. Damage causer is damage controller 2. Damage class type doesn't matter. Damage actor is the hit actor. So now, when I play, nope, our map. Host the game, LAN, join. Yep. Give me a sec. I'm back. In 1 second. Oh, what's? I have to take my medicine. Accept select. None. Okay. Oh, I can build E key. Can reference the cells. Hmm? Apply damage. Oh yeah. Yeah, obvious. Current health. Construction script. Okay, now, oops. You are dead. Okay, fine. Dum, 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 dum. This is just temporary stuff. So wait, I checked something. Oh. Okay. Print string. Take that. Host select character, heavy, T. Oh, I'm not hitting anything, so... Duh, obvious. Take that, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, anyway. So, when I press E key, get print string. T. Okay, so this stuff is passed to the... Okay, yeah, this is passed to... Oh, it's enter. Oh god. Host game. T. Yeah. Okay. So everything like this is passed to... I think it's blue. Yeah. Let's call this show health. I don't build the UI right now. It's coming later. I could, but create. Cause damage to a character. And for fun, print screen. Okay, house game. Accept, join game, yes. Accept, select character. So... Okay, yeah, this is super fast. Obvious. Because... we hit him so often that he's directly dead. So when I reduce this to 1 second, play, host, accept, join. I could draw another here it comes. I think it's E. No, it's left button. This is strange. Why it's instantly dead. Give me 0.5. 4 line trace mouse. It shouldn't take 8 minutes. Set reward camera actor? Ah, okay. So we could add a camera. And the camera use, I think it's using pawn control. No, I can't move at all. Oh, I can again. So I can't see myself. But this is fine. It's a line trace. We need her. And we take not the capsule component, let's take the camera. Now yep. Okay, sorry. Anyway,
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrices and chart. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
you know what? Let's build it differently. Take that, delete this. We will build another line trace. So left button. And trace color is blue. And color is red. 0, okay. Break it. Branch. We hit something. Let's move this up. And we apply damage. The hit actor. Oh. Damage cover. Yeah, player control. And apply 15. Okay, now when I start the game, pew, pew, pew. This is my pew, 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 pew. Okay. And we print. We damage the character. If this is true, if this, we always hit something. So is valid. It's not valid. Print string. You missed. So now you damage your character? Oh yeah, we're just checking for if we had hit some kind of character. So we always shouldn't be an issue. Walls ignoring the fact that they hit. Join the game. Accept. Select character. You're dead. Why is he directly dead? Huh? Should him give come on. Select character. Select character? I'm spawning down. What? Select character. Did I have to select a character? Okay. You damaged your character. You're dead. Why? Okay, let's test the other way around. Server, join, select, yes, T. Select character. Ah! Why? Okay. You damage your character. Damage your character. We damage your character. Oh, okay. This is not replicated. So the client didn't see the information. So this is a thing I have to play around. Anyway, this kind of works. So let's see. He received damage. Oh wait, test it again. Host game. Join game. Select character. Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, yes. Select character. Heavy. Accept. Select character. Okay, there's an issue. I have a character. Anyway. So I press E. I have 0. Why have I'm 0 health? Is this something with the construction? Post game. Oh, I have 75. Boop, 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 boop. Character. Okay. Let us build a basic UI. Character. And let's widget hat. And we add on pre-construction get player controller no get base get player no, get player controller. Oh no, got player character. Cast to non-VR. Get current health. And now I could bind this to I have to bind this health input integer oh no float current health. What? Binding property text delegate on widget text block has wrong number? Is that binding text delegate? Never solve an error again. Has a wrong number of arguments. If you need to return one value, take no parameter. Wait, how? So let's take all levels, main menu, server menu, timer value, and reference, handle countdown. Player mode header. I'm a little bit confused. So this is apparently wrong. It's a variable. No. Create binding. Oh, probably. I mean, this is basic stuff and I'm totally sucks at it. Sometime you have some things like this. You could say custom event show health. Create widget. Hot. Player controller. Add to viewport. No, actually, let's say here, create widget, hot, get player controller, and to viewport. I hate building widgets. Really. Yeah, I hate this. I hate it. I don't like widget at all. Nope. Nope, nope. Player base. Text render. What is it called? Set text. So health is not replicated. And we will do this set text. Current get host accept join and event possess. So this is apparently 0. I got possessed, so why I'm not getting my health? And why is it 0? Oh, probably this is not. So it's not on construction. I had to call parent function. Event processed. Now, maybe we'll see. Okay, this is 75. Except, select character, still text. And still 0. Oh yeah, of course, it's I have to choose another join, accept. Accept, select character, light, no, light, T. Oh, it's still text. Probably have to set it every time for. I'll have to think later there. Select character light. Oh, it's not. Where is it? Text. Why is there text? Oh, damn it. That still doesn't explain why it's text. So when a character is possessed, what's the game? Choose settings, center, light. Okay. Host the game. 75. Join a game. Accept. Still text. I mean, this is not even replicated. This is not network stuff. It's just. Oh. Oh wait, this is a server and this is the client at the point. I'm a bit confused. Let me check that. Okay, so we have to copy this. Oh wait. So the class health is 75, current health should be 75 too. E 75, well, host the game. 75, and I join a game. Whatever character, 75. Okay, so the health setting is correct, but not the replication stuff, obviously. So I have to the current health replicated. The replication stuff going to be a little extra video probably because yeah, network isn't that easy. Anyway, yeah, save that. Okay, when I start the game right now, 75, select character. This is really strange. Probably it's 0 because give me that none. Yeah, it's 75. If I choose another class, heavy. This is strange. You have to figure out later. 75. So wait. What? Zero. So heavy. 75. Why is it 75 for the light? I didn't even did something. I just have a parent construction script. And this does nothing. So this is a little bit confusing, but and I think a firewall is on begin play. 2. So it's 75. Why is it always at the... Zero. None. 75. Light. 75. Super heavy. Can't. Heavy. Can't. Medium. 0. Light. None. None. Light. 75. I think I have to copy this to VR characters. Sadly. I think this is not super correct. What is this? And I think there should be a better, or there is probably a better way. So when I choose the character now, light, super heavy. So anyway, I have to set it every time for each class. So super heavy, let's give him 105. Call heavy, give him 125. Medium, give him 100.
One, two, three, four.
75, 100. The thing that's a little bit confusing is that it's not available here. So this is a little bit strange. It's like character, heavy, super heavy, that's fine, medium, super heavy, light, heavy. Select character, medium, super heavy, light. This is okay. And it's replicated. It's, yeah, that's great. Beside that, issue solved. So now when I'm, let's call this set character base health. Set character base health. Depends on class health. Oops. Health. And it totally needs work. So let me. So let me quick test the stream. Test how it sounds like. Okay, this is great. All right. Okay, test. I was just playing around with the music a little bit. Oh, just give me a sec. And this should be a little bit better. Yeah, I think I have to deactivate the gain.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. What?
Okay, now I've gained to 1 and music to -10. Yeah, this sounds better. Yeah. Okay, anyway, I tested something and it has to do with the replication of characters. So select character heavy 125. So this is replicated and fine. Now I have to build the damage stuff, and I think
Me and you versus the world, but ain't nobody holding us back. Yeah. Me and you versus the world, but ain't nobody holding us back.
so. Let's take heavy.
Perfection engulfed by your affection. Presence is a blessing. Aimed in your direction, an arrow from Cupid. I'm looking stupid cause my niggas know that you're my obsession.
Yo, so the calculation is correct.
Wasn't cleanly paid. I ain't gonna act like this was all
But it's not got it's not got refreshed. So
whoever thought I'd be in contention for the most wonderful love in the world. Just me and my girl been a journey just to see us unfurl, but it was worth it. Baby girl, I swear it was worth it together.
So I think I have to implement every
You versus the world, but ain't nobody holding us back. Me and you versus the world.
every calculation from the health.
Me and you versus the world, but ain't nobody holding us back.
So event any damage health calculation damage damage cursor promote you. Let me make a quick test. And why is the music so strange? Oh, because I'm at the end. Let's start here. So I have to reduce the background noise a bit. Anyway, this should be fine. Let's back to work. So when I'm playing now and choose the heavy character, toggle this, making damage. It's calculated over the network, but not on the character, and the client doesn't do any damage. So I have to figure out. I saw this before, but actually right now I don't have a clue what was the initial problem. So the problem is that the server sees calculation, the client not. And I don't apply more damage than 15 once a time. The hell? What? Get current health, set current health. Let's take the health. Heavy. 110. It's not firing again. Why? Why it's not firing again? Play. Select character. Light. Heavy. Medium. $85. Why it's fired just once? Okay, this is a little bit strange. Let's take the health calculation and do it here again. Current health minus damage. Oh no, character. Okay, this is not working. Oh, the other character has to choose select character, light, medium, light, no, light, okay. 60, 45. Oh, if it's 0, it's not. Okay, yeah. You're dead. Yeah. So this is not working as I think before. This sucks. But can I copy it?
How will you serve the world? What do they need?
How
What talent do you provide?
calculation.
On others is the most valuable currency there is.
What can I call it? It's a little bit bummer. I thought that I can actually work with it, but it seems not that. It's not possible. I wonder why, but so let's get this health calculation input. Let's take damage and current health. Oh, this is float. And switch it up. To top. So this minus damage, current health, and fire with this. I have to learn this. So this is not working anymore. Delete this, delete this, delete this. And on light, can I not complicate? So any damage. Oh, this is damage. And this is current health. Probably I shouldn't make the health calculation. I should. Okay, yeah, this is the issue. Okay, this is a problem. I build my own now, so I shouldn't use the each character to. I shouldn't use each character for the health calculation, I should do it in the player controller, because every player have their own thing, but I have to do it just one time and not replicate it for every character. So basically, what I'm going to do is doing here the health calculation. Health calculation. And let's take all this, put it up here. Medium, super heavy. And delete this. Get player controller. Cast to gameplay player controller. It's a pure cast. And we say calculate health calculation. So, and the health calculation have damage, damage type. Nope. Float. Damage type. So it's object reference. We have instigated by. I think this is a why is it? Whatever. Instigated by is object controller. Object and damage causes actor object. Damage. Actor. Okay. So what we need is the current health. And the current health get current health. Nope. This is 75 because I set it. And here up. Current health. Create variable. Float. Oh yeah, obvious I can't. We have to fire the event. So current health minus this calculation. And now I have to send an update to the player. Or maybe to everyone. Think maybe to everyone. We will see. characters, medium. Super heavy. Damage causer. Oh, and as I'm thinking about it, it's the gameplay player controller, so I have to add it to the to the lobby. Okay, I hate. I cannot adjust health calculation. Just copy the whole shit. So, create a local variable. I don't need a... Can I say... Current health? What? No? Current health? Why? Anyway, we'll delete it. So... we will add again. Yeah. Cast to lobby PC. Yeah, let's make it pure cast. Health calculation. So this is again damage, current health. I cannot. Wait, this is the lobby. See, I have a current health. Okay, health. You know what? I don't need the other stuff right now. So when I will add it when I need it. So this is the damage, this is the health. So not gameplay PC. Damage, current health. Paste. Light. Copy paste. medium. What type of light? Super heavy? Heavy. Paste, play. Now something should happen, but I'm not sure what. So, select character, heavy. Okay, now when I'm firing it... Okay, this is... nothing happened. Okay, here. 110. 110, but it's not, it's just fired one time. Okay, so basically I have to update the current health. Alexa, stop. Okay, Alexa fires its own. I don't know why. So basically, the player fires. It triggers the event of the triggers. I'm sorry, I have to learn the TH. Triggers the health calculation one time. Health is calculated. It's printed by the server. So as you can see here. So I have 125, select character, medium, toggle this. As you can see here, and it's not actually refresh with text render because this is okay. So it's just printing. And I have to update, so I need an output node, and we call this updated health. We just could fire the event. Let's make a custom event and call this update text renderer. And anyway, what? Where's my... Oh yeah, I want to do... Okay. And call this updated health. Now, still needs output. And call this updated health. I have some kind of deja vu. I don't know what's happened, but it's strange. So, update text renderer. And I had it somewhere already. No? Here it is. Oh yeah, I don't want it to pull it in the, I just want to fire event, so I wanted to build it here. So every time health calculation is firing, just one. Okay, I'm totally lost right now. Okay, you hit something. This is firing, this is working fine. So every time I hit something, base damage applied 15. Like, every time I event any damage, fire the health calculation. Health calculation say, take the health, take the damage. Health minus damage is the current health. Return note. Oh! Set current health. Select current light. Oh no, you have to select character medium, select character light. Heavy. What? Lights? I don't get it. Okay, now. 60, 45, 30, 15. You're dead. Okay, this is fine. Text renderer. Okay, this is working. So all the light you have to do is update the text renderer. I could... Let me think about it. I could say health calculation.
Remember that plan I could not tell you about?
Get pawn. Get player pawn. Make it input. Player pawn.
Just look at that yellow sun. And way off in the distance,
Pawn
those
object
small
reference.
like clouds.
Good player character. Let's say character. Object reference. This is better. So I'm passing the player character to the health calculation. And at this point I could oh, my brain hurts. So I'm passing the player character to the health calculation. Yeah, after the text renderer. So what I'm going to do is get text. No. Set text. No. I could cast to. Non VR. Has to. Make it cute. We could say set text renderer. Stupid, I did damage to myself. Okay, no. Okay. No. It's a bad idea. God, sometimes wonder why I'm doing something and thinking, okay, this is totally wrong, and this makes no sense. So what we're going to do is we're passing everything back to the player, to the character. Yeah, get rid of this, and we update it live. So we're setting the current health. Okay. Let's copy all this. Medium. It's not great that you have to update text renderer. Oh, you don't like that, but it's fine. It's a little bit janky and probably not the best or ideal way to do it, but for my test purposes should be fine. I think I'm always say this, right? Everything is not perfect. It's working somehow. So mediums, like I don't know why. Probably it's something to do with the spawn
I said it
point.
before and I'll say it again.
Why it's okay? Now
Life
I'm like
moves pretty fast.
okay. Fire 60, 45, 30, 50, 0, died. You died. Okay, this is something I want to know. Okay, so the information coming from the server, but it's not passed to the client. So we have to call some kind of update. Ooh, scary network stuff. Let me check my phone. Okay. So the server gets the information, but the client not. So probably it's just some basic stuff. And I think I have to call some information on the server. Let's try it again. Harry. Oh, let's turn on a little bit. Came out 10, he died. The event is called on the server. So the server calculates the damage, but we have to let me Google stuff. So UE4 damage find out.
are here on this very earth to love
Called take run on server event.
and to be loved.
What? I've wrapped function to keep my event clean and I just call function begin play. Change the server and I am a spawn web actor. Install the characters web. That's wrong. So basically what I'm going to do is fire a weapon and run on server only. Fire weapon. Correct. It's still working. This is something this is important and not have it.
Friends and wishing you the best of this day, and then thanking you for another year of making us laugh and making us think.
Oh no, we applied. So this is still. But if it's true, fire weapon. Oh. Okay, this works. Probably when I'm using just a tutorial, I will be finished in some minutes, but not here. Update text render is run only client, and this should fix the run only client. Probably fix the problem. Should it be multicasted? But I don't think it should call it multicasted. So like character heavy. Okay, now it's working on the client. I'm not damaging. Okay, it's working on the. Okay. I don't like events like multicasting, but I think for now it should be a good idea. Should work in. Okay, so now Yeah, you see this working.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap.
But I'm not damaging the server. Select character. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm not damaging the server at all.
Listen, all you New Yorkers.
Doom, 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 doom. I'm sorry. Okay, the only the server can call this event. So we okay, I think I have to think about a little bit about this issue, but I got a rough idea in the head, but I'm not making. Oh, sorry. I'm not making any. I think I'm going to the wrong direction with everything and the health specific stuff. So I have to make some research and give it another shot. Okay, I'll see you later and stopping the stream. Have a good night. Bye.